Part 1, The Legend and its Roots. Welcome to the first part of our special series, where we will explore the deep roots of the legend of frogs in fairy tales and mythologies across different civilizations. We'll take a closer look at why this legend has captivated human imagination for millennia. The frog, a creature that undergoes a remarkable transformation in its life cycle, has been a symbol of change, growth, and magic across cultures. But what makes this symbolism so universal? The metamorphosis from tadpole to adult frog is a clear visual representation of transformation. This has made it a potent symbol for change, rebirth, and hidden potential. Let's begin our journey with ancient civilizations, where frogs held various symbolic meanings. In ancient Egypt, frogs were revered and associated with the goddess Hecate. She was often depicted as a frog or a woman with a frog's head, symbolizing fertility, childbirth, and renewal. In ancient Greece and Rome, frogs were linked to Aphrodite and Venus, the goddesses of love. They were also seen as creatures of the wetlands, connecting them to the mysterious unknown. In various indigenous cultures around the world, frogs have symbolized cleansing, healing, and spiritual connection to the earth. Their ability to live both in water and on land makes them a symbol of adaptability and transition. Moving forward to medieval Europe, frogs took on more complex and sometimes darker meanings. Frogs were often associated with witchcraft and alchemy. They were believed to have magical properties and were used in potions and spells. Various superstitions arose around frogs. In some cultures, they were considered lucky, while in others, they were seen as omens of bad weather or illness. As we enter the 19th century, the image of the frog takes on a more romantic and whimsical tone. The Brothers Grimm's The Frog Prince tells the tale of transformation through love's kiss. This story has inspired countless adaptations and interpretations, making it a timeless classic. Different cultures have their own versions of the Frog Prince tale. From Russia to China, the themes of transformation, redemption, and hidden beauty are universal. From ancient myths to modern fairy tales, the frog's image as a symbol of transformation has persisted through time. It's a reflection of our human fascination with change, growth, and the hidden potential within all of us. Part 2, Science and Reality. Welcome to the second part of our exploration. After diving into the historical and cultural roots of frog legends, we now turn our focus to the scientific world. What is it about frogs that makes them so fascinating to researchers, medical professionals, and even psychologists? Some frogs, like the Colorado River toad, have become well known for their hallucinogenic properties. Indigenous tribes have used the secretions of certain frogs in spiritual rituals. These substances can induce intense psychedelic experiences, connecting people with other realms of consciousness. We're also studying these secretions for their potential therapeutic benefits, particularly in treating mental health disorders such as depression and PTSD. Beyond the mystical, frogs have given us incredible insights into medicine. Some frogs produce peptides that have shown promising results in fighting cancer cells. Researchers are actively exploring how these compounds can be synthesized for cancer treatments. Frogs have also contributed to our understanding of diabetes, Alzheimer's, and other diseases. Certain compounds derived from frog secretions have shown potential in regulating insulin levels and protecting nerve cells. Frogs aren't just valuable for their secretions. Their genetics have also provided valuable insights. Studying the genes of frogs helps us understand how they adapt to different environments. This can provide insights into genetic adaptation and evolution in other species, including humans. Some frogs can regenerate lost limbs. By studying this amazing ability, we might unlock the potential for human limb regeneration in the future. Frogs play a crucial role in ecosystems, and studying them can help us understand broader ecological dynamics. Frogs are often considered indicator species. Their health can reveal a lot about the overall health of an ecosystem. Changes in frog populations can signal larger environmental issues. Many researchers are studying how climate change is affecting frog populations. This helps us understand broader climate impacts on biodiversity. From spiritual practices to cutting-edge medical research, from genetic studies to ecological indicators, frogs are truly remarkable creatures. They bridge the gap between myth and reality, enchanting us with their magic and enlightening us with their scientific significance. Part 3, Conservation and Ecology. In this third segment of our series, we dive into the critical ecological role that frogs play and the urgent need to conserve them. With species disappearing at an alarming rate, what does the loss of frogs mean for our planet, and what are we doing to protect them? The importance of frogs in ecosystems is manifold, encompassing everything from controlling pests to maintaining healthy water bodies. Frogs are both predators and prey. They help control insect populations and, in turn, provide food for birds, mammals, and other creatures. Their disappearance could disrupt these delicate balances. Frogs are excellent indicators of water quality. Their permeable skin makes them susceptible to pollutants, so they act as sentinels for the health of our aquatic environments. Climate change poses a serious threat to frogs, affecting their habitats, breeding, and survival. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events are changing the habitats that frogs rely on, leading to population declines or even extinction in some cases. Climate change also facilitates the spread of diseases that affect frogs, such as the deadly chytrid fungus, further threatening many species. The challenges are substantial, but there are many passionate individuals and organizations working tirelessly to conserve these remarkable creatures. Ongoing research and monitoring of frog populations provide valuable insights into their health, helping us detect and address problems early. Protecting and restoring habitats, including wetlands, forests, and grasslands, are key to ensuring that frogs have the space and resources they need to thrive. Some species are so endangered that they require human intervention to survive. Captive breeding and reintroduction programs have saved several species from the brink of extinction. Engaging local communities and educating the public about the importance of frogs and the threats they face is vital for building support for conservation efforts. Our exploration of frogs' conservation and ecology has unveiled the complex web of relationships they maintain within our ecosystems, and the urgency of protecting them. From being a symbol of transformation and magic in stories and legends to their irreplaceable role in nature, frogs have much to teach us about balance, resilience, and interdependence. Part 4, Culture, Art, and Entertainment. Welcome to the final part of our series, where we explore the enchanting presence of frogs in culture, art, and entertainment. From ancient symbolism to contemporary cartoons, frogs have hopped into our collective imagination in countless ways. Let's dive in. Literature has been rich with frog characters and symbolism. The leap from myth to literature is profound. In Aesop's fables, frogs often appear as wise or foolish characters, teaching moral lessons. They are also present in haiku poetry in Japan, symbolizing the transient nature of life. Frogs continue to entertain children through stories like Frog and Toad by Arnold Lobel. They represent friendship, curiosity, and exploration of the world. Frogs have been depicted in various forms of art throughout history, carrying different meanings. From ancient Egyptian amulets to Native American totems, frogs have been sculpted, painted, and crafted in various materials, symbolizing fertility, transformation, and luck. In modern art, frogs can represent ecological awareness or critique societal issues. They become powerful symbols to engage with environmental and cultural themes. The influence of frogs extends to music and dance, inspiring composers and choreographers. Frogs have been musically represented in pieces like The Carnival of the Animals by Saint-Saëns. Their croaking has also inspired folk songs and nursery rhymes. In various traditional dances around the world, dancers imitate the leap of frogs to celebrate nature or tell local legends. Frogs have found their way into our screens and hearts through movies, cartoons, and even video games. Characters like Kermit the Frog have become cultural icons, teaching generations about friendship, acceptance, and humor. Frogs also feature in video games, challenging and entertaining players. They often symbolize agility, luck, or mystery within the game's narrative. Our journey through the world of frogs in culture, art, and entertainment has shown that these amphibians are more than biological wonders. They are creative muses, moral compasses, and joyful entertainers. From the pages of ancient texts to the pixels of modern video games, frogs have leaped across barriers, connecting us to our environment, our values, and each other. As we conclude this fascinating journey through the world of frogs, we've uncovered that their significance extends far beyond the fairy tales and legends that have enchanted our childhood. These humble amphibians have shaped our culture, advanced our science, and enriched our ecosystems in ways that continue to inspire wonder and respect. Through our exploration of the legend and its roots, we delved into the ancient myths and folklore that have cast frogs as magical beings. Their symbolism has been a bridge between our earthly existence and the mystical realms, where transformation and renewal are core themes. In Science and Reality, we discovered that the magic of frogs is not merely fictional. They've led to groundbreaking medical research and are even paving the way for innovative treatments for cancer, diabetes, and other diseases. Their psychedelic properties have bridged spiritual experiences and therapeutic possibilities. Our journey into conservation and ecology shed light on the critical role frogs play in maintaining ecological balance. We understood the urgency of their preservation in the face of climate change and habitat destruction, emphasizing how their well-being is a reflection of our planet's health. Through culture, art, and entertainment, we celebrated the artistic and creative influence of frogs. From literature and art to music and video games, they continue to entertain, educate, and inspire. The world of frogs is a microcosm of life itself. It is a world filled with beauty and complexity, wisdom and whimsy, science and spirituality. They remind us of our interconnection with all living beings and the responsibility we bear to protect and honor the natural world. As we bid farewell to this series, we hope that you carry forward a newfound appreciation for these extraordinary creatures. May the frogs continue to enchant your world, and may their leaps resonate as a call to explore, understand, and cherish the intricate tapestry of life. Thank you for accompanying us on this captivating adventure. Your engagement and curiosity have made this exploration all the more magical. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts, and continue to journey with us as we unravel more of the universe's mesmerizing secrets. Until next time, keep leaping into the unknown and embracing the enchantment of discovery.